Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. At the left side on the screen you can find the third option, the invite friends. And new, if you want to invite friends, you can add your friend's email address and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.